Hey guys, welcome back to my shop. I want to talk to you guys real quickly about templates. So the easiest way to do templates for your body and your headstock is just to get a sheet of like 3/8 or 1/2 inch MDF. That's what I have here. This is 1/2 inch MDF. And how I did it, how I started, is I took an existing guitar that I had and put it on there, traced it, drew the center line, and then I adjusted all the curves and everything to something that I liked a little bit more. Took a long time to get to this shape, but there were countless shapes before this. So yeah, MDF, draw your center line, trace a shape where you can freehand it. One thing to keep in mind is if you're planning on putting it in a case is to know the internal dimensions of the case. One of my earlier guitars, didn't think about that. Did the shape, did the whole guitar, I went to put it in a case and it was too long. The top horn was too long by like 1/2 inch, 1 inch maybe. So I ended up having to put it in a base case. And it fit in there kind of sloppy. So that's one thing to keep in mind is the shape of the internal dimensions of the case, and that might dictate your shape a little bit. So the reason I start with MDF is because it's easy to draw on, it's easy to erase, and then once you're happy with the shape, then you can take it to your bandsaw, or if you have a jigsaw, you can do that too if you don't have a bandsaw. Get real close to the line, cut it all out, and then this is much easier to sand than a 1 3/4 inch piece of mahogany or swamp ash or alder in our case. So it's much easier to make sure that all your curves are nice and smooth, so that when we tape this onto our body blank, cut that shape out, and then we'll take it to our router table and route that shape out. Most of the hard work will already be done. So then you just have to go through with 150, 220, just get out any machine marks that might be there. But all the curves will be nice, should be nice and smooth at that point. So we've got our body template here, got our headstock template. I've got my neck template here. This is for a 25.5 inch scale length, 24 fret, with a Floyd Rose R3 locking nut, and then this section up here will be for the tenon that will extend into the neck humbucker. So fit in there like that, and we'll go into detail more when we get to that stage. But yeah, templates, MDF is your friend. Don't be afraid to draw and erase and draw and erase and draw and erase until you're happy with something. Take it to the bandsaw, cut it out, and then sand it until all your curves are nice and smooth, and then we're ready to move forward. So, and the other reason that you want to do your template first is because in the next episode we're going to be doing the body blank, and you need to know the dimensions that you need for your body blank so that you know what to cut it to. So, thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next episode. Thanks.